Hello, everyone. Welcome to New Tech. I am with another quick tutorial. How to fix TPM 2.0 must be supported and enabled on this PC. TPM not detected. Now, let's start. Go to the Start menu and restart your computer. Now, go to the BIOS of your computer. Then, select the Settings option from the BIOS. Next, go to the Security. And, go to the Trusted Computing. You will see here, the security device support is disabled. Now, press the Enter key and select the Enable option. Also, make sure that AMD fTPM switch is selected as AMD CPU fTPM. Now, again go to the Settings. And, go to Save and Exit. Then, select Save Changes and Reboot. And, select Yes. Now, open the PC Health Check application. Then, click on the Check Now button. Great! Now TPM is detected on your computer and ready to use Windows 11. Okay. That's it for today. I will see you in the next tutorial with amazing and interesting topics. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel.